Democracy and Development in India's Northeast Pathways, Prospects and Challenges Haiba Hiram da NUMIT nini ki OIBA seminar PANGTHOKKHRE Department of Political Science Dhanamajuri University Imphal da sinduna DM Arts ki Auditorium Hall da PANGTHOKKHRE seminar aduda Professor W. Chan Babu Singh Vice Chancellor Dhanamajuri University and Chief Patron Professor M. Amarjit Singh Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, author of Autonomy and Democratic Governance in Northeast India, Professor Iman Kalyan Lahiri, Jadavpur University na special guest oina Saryaki Amadi, Professor N. Vizen Mitei, Head Professor N. Surjit Kumar, Dr. N. Somarendra Singh, Professor Rajen Singh Laishram Amadi, Dr. Khelena Gurumayum na resource person oina Saryaki.